Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to connect Tado to boiler. Firstly, download the Tado app on your smartphone, then scan the QR code on your thermostat to access the installation manual. Turn off your heating system at the fuse box for safety and take photos of the existing wiring before disconnecting your old thermostat. Remove your old thermostat and prepare the wires for installation. Now follow the app instructions to connect the thermostat wires correctly. For distinct heating, black wire no, and brown wire for COM. Remove the battery tab to activate your thermostat and choose your installation method, like direct connection or wireless version. Now plug the included internet bridge into your router using your UATP cable and press the pairing button on the internet bridge. Hold down the buttons on the thermostat and the wireless receiver for 3 seconds. Wait for pairing and you'll see 2 circles touching on the thermostat screen when successful. In the Tado app, select Add Accessories, scan the QR code on each radiator knob and activate the battery by removing the strip and holding the pairing button for 3 seconds. Check for confirmation in the app and attach the knob to your radiator. Hold the thermostat button for 3 seconds, select your boiler type on the thermostat screen and confirm whether you installed it with or without expansion. Now set schedules and adjust temperature in the Tado app and check if your thermostat works, so your boiler should start heating. And you're all set. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.